We now proceed with induction of our new members into the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan, sponsored by members of Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan. You have been selected not by chance, but by character. Rotary recognizes in you the potential to serve beyond self-interest and to become part of a global network of people of action. Do you accept the membership in the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan? Laksan konti. Do you accept the membership in the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan? Do you commit yourselves to uphold its constitution, bylaws, and the principles of Rotary International? May I now request you to please raise your right hand and follow after me. I state your name.
I, Isabella,
Having been duly admitted into the membership of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan, sponsored by members of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan, Rotary International District 3870, do solemnly swear that I will abide by and uphold and support the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International and of the Rotary Club of Uptown Iligan. I pledge to live by the ideals embodied in the object of Rotary, the four-way test, and the Rotary's motto, service above self. I further pledge to support and promote the Rotary International theme for Rotary Year 26-27, create lasting impact. I also promise to faithfully attend club meetings, pay my dues promptly, actively participate in club projects and activities, and contribute my time, talents, and resources in the spirit of fellowship and service. I recognize that the strength and success of Rotary depend upon the commitment and active involvement of its members. I further pledge to uphold the highest ethical standards in my personal, professional, and community life, and to serve as an inspiration and a person of action within my community and beyond. I voluntarily assume these obligations without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.